go to the kitchen and make some steak and eggs. Nah, because I'm a vegan now. I'm vegan because I feel as though, because I used to love chicken, meat, all that good stuff. So I just know that that's not healthy for my body. So I just stopped eating meat. Nah, I never saw What the Health. Never. It's just like after Dr. Sebi died, I started looking into his lifestyle a little bit. You're gonna die anyway. That's true. But why live and be sick? You feel me? Why not have the optimal health? You're gonna die faster if you eat shit. Chicken get cancer too. So y'all eating chicken and they be having cancer and stuff. So that's why, one of the reasons why I'm vegan. Pigs are nasty as fuck. Like, they eat anything. Like, they're groomed disgustingly. So like, I don't know. I'm not an expert in veganism. However, I'd rather eat healthy. They have mad hormones and chicken, steak, all that good stuff. Child, they say everything got cancer in it. Not plants. You think plants got cancer? When you go on a plant-based diet, you're eating healthy. Feel me? They trying to kill us. They really are. Plants has pesticides. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. Fish has pesticides. You tried it, Jessica. Plants have GMOs. That's why I eat organic. I go to Whole Foods and I buy organic food. I sound like Ashanti? I doubt it. She's like girly and I'm like, I rap, so I go hard and y'all don't even know it. Not all plants have pesticide. Exactly. They say organic. Spray with chemicals. That's why you eat organic, okay? Dr. Sebi was a bright man enjoying the alkaline diet for way of life is the best way of life. Yeah, he was smart. Chicken get cancer too. So y'all eating chicken and they be having cancer and stuff. So that's why, one of the reasons why I'm vegan.